I have to say it was absolutely amazing. Out of all the resources and events I've been to concerning rent to rent, this was definitely by far one of the most detailed that I've ever seen. There was a lot of information, a lot of information to go back with. There was very clear step-to-step guides. Oftentimes where I've been to events before, they tend to be quite long and not really so well structured, but I found that today was very clearly laid out, which was really helpful for me to go home and actually take some action. So I would really heavily recommend this boot camp. I think it was very affordable. It was a whole day. Daniel also allowed us to ask questions, which I thought was really key, because oftentimes you go to events again and there's some information that is given, but there's some underlying things that it'll be good to know if you can. So I felt it was a really great value today, and I would definitely again recommend anybody to come down to the next boot camp. Even if there's no boot camp, just come down, just give Daniel a shout, get on his Facebook community, give him a shout and join, and yeah.